Hello friends, I am super excited to share with you this project that I made as a gift to a fellow crafter. With crafters, I'm not sure what you can give them, except I think ideas are always a good thing. So I hope my friend will love this as much as I have enjoyed making this. Now, if you remember the musical Mary Poppins, with her magic carpet bag where she keeps pulling out things from her bag, you know, it seems like a bottomless pit. Now this card kind of reminds me of that, and when I was making it I just kept thinking about that. So it's a pocket card. It's what I would call a pentuplet or quintuplet pocket card, because it actually has 5 pockets in it. So as you can see, you can pull out this. So this here is a 10.5 centimeter square card. So I probably think of it as a lunchbox note card. So, and then you've got, you pull out this and you can have the inside card. Oops, oh, I lost my little thing in there. But anyway, you can see there's another card that's more of a standard size card. But wait, there's more. So turn it over and you will see that there is another lunchbox card, right, note card there, and also this one here, which is another full size card or standard size card. So now, wait, there's more. I told you I'd sound like a infomercial. So in here, in the pocket, you get another card. So these 5 cards, all of these cards are made with the Friendly Hello free SAB items that you can get at the moment, January till March, I believe, with a $220 purchase. So here you go. So that's the pocket card. We've got 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket, 4 pocket, and 5. The 5th pocket over here. All right. So I will walk you through how to make this pocket, and I thought we could play with the Heart and Home DSP pattern paper. So this is, I only have half a set here. So these are the papers on one side, and if you flip them over, it's more the wood grain look. Okay. And together with this suite, you also have the Heart and Home Memories and More card pack. So I just they come in little boxes, and I just take them out and store them in one of these clear storage boxes. And I cut out the thing and I don't actually put it, I don't tape it, I just cut that off, whoops, and slip it into our case. It has a little sleeve, and so when I'm finished with that, you know, I'm not stuck with a case that has a label on it. All right, so let us get started. I think I picked out, I will use that color. So this project will require one sheet of 12 by 12. So a lot of us crafters do end up having a lot of 12 by 12 papers. If we don't scrapbook as well, we can't seem to get through our papers quick enough. So I was looking for a project, you know, I was looking for projects that would use up the entire sheet of 12 by 12. And I came across this from Treasure Books. Actually, I came across it from another site, which I can't remember right now, but she mentioned Treasure Books. So this is from Treasure Books. If you want to Google it, she has really, you know, she talks of it more like a junk book, you know, junk journal type of things. But I'm just converting it to using it as a card, more of a card base. All right, so the instructions are really simple. You want to score your paper in half. So it's a 12 by 12, so we're scoring it at 6. Right, so I'm just going to do that way. Just make sure that you're using the light and not the dark one. Okay, the light, the gray is what do you call this? The gray thing is the scorer. All right, so I'm just going to score it right down. Okay, I don't go too hard, and it's pretty hard to see. Actually, what I might do is, yeah, I didn't press too hard at all. Let me just press it harder. Okay, 6. All right, go. This one. I don't want to score it too hard because I don't want to end up cutting it. All right, so I've got scoring it in half. Okay, so there we go. Now, so I will crease it better with my bone folder. But so you've got that, and then you want to rotate it 90 degree. Okay, now it's probably easier if you have the scoreboard, which at the moment I don't have. It's not in my possession at the moment. My scoreboard has been loaned out to a friend, so I'm having to use my trimmer, which is okay for this project. Now the next score is, so you turn it 90 degree, and then you score it at 3.5, which is here. Okay, 3.5, and I'm just making sure that it's square. All right, scoring at 3.5, and then just pulling the arm out so I can move it along and score it at 8.5. So you can see how much easier it would be when you use the scoreboard. Okay, so I'm going. All right, and that is pretty much all you need to do with the trimmer. Let me get rid of the trimmer. Now, then I'm just going to fold along the lines that I've scored. Okay, and also there. Cool. Right, use the bone folder to get a nice crease. That one too. Just grab that. Okie dokie. Right. Then now what you want to do is you want to, where you scored it at 6, you know, not the 2 across vertical, but the one across horizontally. So you want to cut that line. So grab your scissors and just got my snips. Let's put that out the frame. I'm having a different setup today, so it's going to be quite hard to do looking so far down. Hope you're not seeing the top of my head. Right, and then right across there. So I'm not being particularly careful about it all. So that's what you end up with, okay? Now then all you do is you're going to fold this down in a triangle way to the line. So crease it well, and same with that. No, I didn't do it properly. I am so far, the way I've set it up today, I am so far from the my workspace. Alright, I'm just going to step down and do this. I'm hoping. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, then we're going to do the same here. Just wondering if it's easier to look. Okay, I'm going to do that way again. So I'm going to pull it down. Same as up there. Okay. Right here. So that's the look that you're going for. Grab your multi-purpose glue, and you just want to tape these down. You don't actually need to, but I think it's quite good to do it so that you don't get things stuck in the pockets. So let me see, where is a glue that works? Oh my goodness, I'm sure this works. It was working before. Right, so I'm not being too careful. That's a good thing about this project. It actually doesn't take long at all to make. So maybe make sure the corner is tucked in. All right, so let's just crease it really well. And I just want to make sure that this is actually, yeah, I just want the corners to be tucked in. And then that's basically how you do it. You're just going to fold it. Now the tricky thing is, okay, well, what you end up doing is this. So I'm going to do this one slightly different to the sample that I showed you. So I'm going to do it this way instead of in the sample that I had, that I showed at the beginning. It was oriented this way. So it really didn't matter whether that flap was that way or that way. So whether the right flap was under or over, it didn't really matter. But if I'm doing it this way, I think it does matter, and I want it this way, so that because this is my top, if you like. Right, so I'm going to have it that way. Actually, I'll do it this way. Yeah, so I'm going to do it this way. I'm just looking at the pattern of my bees. Okay, so this looks better, because if I do it this way, then my bees are upside down. Alright, so it's going to be this way, and so when I turn it over, I can't have my pockets going that way. I need to have my pockets going this way. Okay, and the bees are in the right direction. Okay, so now all I need to do is seal this bottom bit, the bottom bits here. I do need to seal, so what I need to do is seal here. I'm going to put glue on this side and also on the top flap on this side. So let's do it. You can use double-sided tape. Oh, which way did I say I was going to go? That way. So that way. Yep. And that way. Okay, so I'm not sealing this part at all, okay? That's part of the pocket. Alright, so then turn it over and do the same. Top. And the bottom. Just doing a slight sliver. Always making sure. Yep, that's how we want it. I'm just using the bone folder to crease it really well. Alright, so, okay, and then I will want to seal this, oops, I will want to seal that bottom off as well, and that, so that I have a pocket on the top. Right, so opening up here, need to seal that. Right, it's going this way. I'm always just double checking so that I am, yeah, just trying to minimize mistakes. So here we go. Radio, one there, one there, and there you have it. So you have, I mean, if you have a sewing machine, and you are inclined to use that. I don't actually know how to use the sewing machine, and you want to thread it down here and down the bottom, that could add quite a interesting look. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as it is, just to show you how this all came together. So you end up having your 5 pockets. Now I thought for this project I'm going to keep it simple. I'll just use the Heart and Home Memories and Card pack. Actually, I picked out the same colorways cards that I could use. So I thought together is a beautiful place to be. We can get through anything together. That's quite cool to do, to put in here. So you can just leave it like so. I mean, it's too wide to go that way. So as you can see, these are 4x6 cards, and so it's not going to quite go that way. So, and that's fine. I can leave it that way. Right, and then together is a beautiful place to be. On the other side. Right, so it's quite cool looking. And then I've picked out a few other cards that are in similar color. Oh, you know what, actually, I could put these here. That's quite cool. And I could put these here. Right. Anyway, I could do that. I could put that there. Put that there. Okay, I could do it like so. And let's see, that just a note, actually, maybe I'll do it this way. Just a note. I could do it like that and put it in here. You just arrange it anyhow you want, but this is going to be quite a cute little gift for someone, isn't it? I don't know, do I have other cards? Oh, if you wanted to, you can even give them sticker cards. We've got that sticker and we have that sticker. You could even pop those stickers on up at the top here. Right, and that, and you can embellish somehow, you know, you can just do, I might just do that off the camera and then have a photo. But as you can see, I've just put together like a little pack, if you like. You can do it this way, pocket card way. Or, I don't know where my sample's gone. Oh, there it is. Or the sample was like so. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that. It was quick and easy. And I hope you will try it. Thank you. Bye.